Today I'd like to tell you about the biggest project I've ever worked on.
It was very moving.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
It was very grounding.
I've made a film called The Subtle Art of Losing Yourself, and it's recorded in the incredible Cairngorms Mountains in Scotland. And we explore seeing the intelligence of the animals out on the mountain. We ask the question, okay, what does that say about who we are and our intelligence? And these sort of questions are super important, like where do we come from? As human beings, I guess you're like me, you live in the city, at least most of us do, and we feel quite disconnected from nature, disconnected from ourselves, disconnected from our bodies. But when actually we understand who we are using science, observation, or intuition, we find an awe-inspiring understanding of who we really are. And that understanding has changed my life completely, and that's why I'm super passionate about making these films. And today I feel very blessed that we're going to do a test screening to test out how people are responding to the film, and we're going to bring you with us on the journey so you can see a bit about what this film is about. So plan for today, we're going to just land together with some Qigong, some light movement, which is why we're circling up, and then yeah, we'll get into the film, have a little bit of a break, and then have a bit of a Q&A. And to say now. I'm really passionate to contribute to this great collective mission that we're on as a species to live in balance, and all of you here, every one of us is part of that mission.
It was an opening experience. I feel very connected to everybody in that room. At the end I felt quite emotional.
It was very moving. I spent the first 25 minutes holding back tears because it just hit me with its profundity, and I can feel how much heart and care George puts into his work, not just this film, but everything that he does.
Yeah, it was really wonderful to kind of have an intellectual angle to simplifying.
An important message that was delivered in a way in which it didn't take itself too seriously, but touched on topics that are so important in the modern day.
So this is my contribution to us trying to live in balance. People and planet can live in balance, you can live in balance, I can live in balance. We can do it, we just need to support each other to have new insights into who we are, have practices to help keep those insights alive, and then community so we can support each other on the journey. And I would love this community to watch this film together, and if it resonates with you, I'd love for you to share it. And so, in 7 days' time, or maybe this has already happened by the time you've watched this video, I would love for you to sign up for the screening. We're going to screen in London and online as well, and this is going to be an awesome evening activity. There's links down in the descriptions. There's only 150 places for those who want to come to London, and there will be limited places as well for the live streamers. So please do come, and grateful for your presence, grateful for your support, and I'm really excited for you to watch the film.